Hello everyone, this is Jim. Today I will introduce this Wecon Profinet Coupler. This product is still under developing, but now I want to use this picture to show you how to connect it. You can see here, there are two ways to connect the Profinet Coupler to Siemens PLC. First way, you can connect the coupler through the switch to Siemens PLC, like this. And another way, you can directly connect the coupler one by one to Siemens PLC directly. There are two RJ45 ports in the coupler, one in and one out. This is similar to our Ethernet coupler. And later I will have another video to show you the actual device wiring. Here you can see here are two tables about some parameters. For one coupler, we can connect max to 32 modules. And for synchronous cycle is this value. And the communication distance, we suggest the distance between two nodes should be less than 100 meters. We have also some environment parameters. Please make sure the coupler is working in suitable environments during using. Okay, now let's check another video about the device wiring.
Hi, dear all Wecon fans. Today I'm in Wecon headquarters, and here this space is part of Wecon R&D people. And I have a good news for you that we are just still under developing the Profinet Coupler. And as you can see from this table, here is Wecon HMI, here's Siemens S71500 PLC, and here is Wecon Profinet Coupler and the remote IOs. And firstly, let us take a general look. Now here have one HMI, one PLC, and 6 Profinet Coupler and IOs in 16 DI digital input and 16 digital output, and some are 32. And now we are making a running lamp for all those PLCs. And firstly, now you can see here the IOs are running, and the HMI here is also running. And let me stop it. Now all the IOs here are stopped, and restart it. Will support maximum 32 IO modules. This IO could have 32 modules, then times to 16 to 32 is a huge number. And the numbers of couplers to be connected to Siemens PLC, it depends on Siemens. Normally we say it is over 32 couplers to be connected. So in this case, for the total IO maximum, it could be thousands of thousands IOs. So coupler and Wecon IOs can save your cost. And I think this is a very good solution for a customer who is very familiar with Siemens. So thank you so much for together with me today, and I hope everyone can be happy, and I hope this product can be coming soon. Thank you so much.